Hey guys, what's going on? It is a hot Saturday. So I'm down here at the Chester Creek. I'm at one of my favorite spots. It doesn't actually have a name, but I've decided to call it Paradise because it is great. I mean, it's got good smallmouth. I think it's got some spotted in there, maybe some largemouth. They are pretty finicky, so I'm gonna start off using my Nikko Hellgrammite today and see if I can catch some bass with that. But another reason that I love this spot is just this spot's pretty deep in the woods, so there's not really any people here, but also it's great for swimming. So it was just an all-around good spot, and hopefully we'll be able to grab some bass. Enjoy. We had a hit. He might just grab the tail of it though. Oh man, he was looking at it. I don't think he actually hit it. I think I grabbed it a little early. Oh, got him. Smallmouth. Oh yeah, there's a lot in there. He's a pretty good size too. Whoop. Nice. So there we go. Hellgrammite delivers. He's a pretty fish. It's a pretty smallmouth. All right, let's let this beautiful guy go. Bye, buddy. Woohoo! He was ready too. Nice. So, man, those fish were a little finicky, so I had to throw it in there, and then I was jigging it across the bottom. He actually went past it, and I saw him go past it, so I just jigged it a little bit and he came back and grabbed it. Nice little smallmouth. I like that little release, you know? It's a good release, just quick. Show y'all what the fish looks like. Get him back in the water. Another really cool thing about bass is when you catch one, all the other ones actually follow, which is hilarious. So then you get to see what other bass are in there. Nice. All right, I'm just gonna keep casting. See what else is out here. Oh, there we go. That's a rock bass. I saw him come out too. Yep. So if y'all watch my videos, I catch about 1 million of these guys. Pretty fish. Like catching these guys too. All right, see you later, buddy. I thought he was a sunny, but the way he hit, you know, he was able to get that whole thing. Like, I'm not kidding, y'all. We got a bad problem with these bugs. That's just a regular fly. So I'm gonna try that again. I was just throwing alongside these rocks, right? And there's fish that live underneath them, and they were just coming out. I don't know if y'all can see in the water or not. I'm guessing y'all probably can't. All right, guys, so caught a smallmouth and a rock bass here so far, but I think I'm gonna move spots. The bass are just kind of finicky. I've seen a couple around. It's pretty hot, but I'll just show y'all. I am using the Nikko Hellgrammite, and I'm just throwing this guy out there and just jigging him along. And then if something bites it, I just reel it in. So it's pretty much what I'm doing. So I'm gonna move down, and then I'll come back here later, do some swimming or something, because it is hot. All right, guys, I'm walking to the next spot, but I did want to show y'all this because it's pretty cool. If you look in, there's like these 3 gravel circles in the water here. That's actually where the sunfish mate. So what happens is the guys, I don't know if y'all can see in the water or not, but there's 3 sunfish, in, 1 for each circle. Actually, there's a 4th one over there. So there's 4 circles and 4 sunfish, and they're all sitting there and just waiting. And what they are is they're the males. They've made this nest, and the females have came and laid their eggs, and now the males will actually sit here and just protect it. So they're going to make sure that no predators come and take the eggs, so that, you know, when it comes time and the babies are ready to hatch, we'll have a little baby sunfish. So pretty cool. I wanted to show you all that. All right, see how this turns out. Oh. Jeez. I did fall catching this guy. Oh yeah, that was fast. It's a largemouth. There's a bigger bass in there too. All right. Man, he hit that thing right away. Pretty fish. All right. For those of you at home, though, that's a largemouth. So largemouth, smallmouth, and a rock bass. Whoop. Man, he hit that thing quick. There's some smallies in there. Yeah, that was real graceful too. I hooked him and fell on the rock. Man, that's hilarious. There we go. Rock bass. How about it? Chunker too. Cool. Oh, there's a good bass. Woo! It's a good smallie. Hey guys, so some bad news. When I hooked that smallmouth, about midway through reeling him in, my GoPro actually died. So for anybody who has a GoPro, you know the batteries actually do take a while to change. So when I got the fish in, he was the biggest smallmouth of the day, but he wasn't huge or anything. He was just a good size. So what I can do is I'll put a link to a similar smallmouth I caught, just so y'all can see it if you're curious. But I just decided that it'd be better for me to let him go rather than try to change the batteries, because it is hot and I don't want to put any additional stress on that fish. So back to where I started. Going to continue fishing here for a little bit, but I also got this, I guess it's called the Campac Extreme. And I'm going to shoot some underwater stuff with that camera and just see how that looks. If it looks good, I'll use it in this footage. If not, then I guess I won't use it and I'll just complain about it in a later video. But you know, the smallmouth getting the GoPro dying as the smallmouth, as I was reeling in the smallmouth, really isn't the worst thing in the world. So I'm just going to continue fishing and probably do a little swimming here. Hey guys, I'm gonna be wrapping it up here. Thanks for watching. Today was a great day. I know we didn't catch any monsters, but you know, still caught smallmouth, still caught largemouth, still caught rock bass. That's a fantastic day in my book. Got to do a little swimming, and honestly, I just love this fishing hole. Like, this is by far my favorite place to just come down and chill. So hopefully y'all enjoyed. If you did, please like the video and subscribe. See y'all.